Go.
What? Larry's hot.
Oh
Larry.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Larry.
What's up? I'm Peter and I'm your senior patrol leader.
Oh, hey.
So what's your name?
My name is Kevin.
Yeah, how old are you?
I'm 14.
Oh, so you're gonna be a freshman next year, right? Yeah, what school do you go to?
I'm going to high school.
Yeah, but which high school?
Obvious. High school, man.
Oh, I go there. I'm gonna go there too.
Oh, really?
Alright, so we might hang out sometime. Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. So I hope you have fun, Scouts.
Me too.
Let's go. I'm gonna go introduce you to some Scouts. Let's go.
Alright.
Larry's hot.